Hello students. Today topic is earthquakes. Today topic is earthquakes. Major reasons to produce the earthquakes. One is surface causes. The second one is volcanic causes. Third one is plutonic causes. Fourth one is tectonic causes. Must and should remember the four main points to produce the earthquake causes. One is surface causes. The second one is volcanic causes. Third one is plutonic causes. Fourth one is tectonic causes. First, we are going to discuss the surface causes. Again, surface causes are different types. One is biggest dams are being constructed across the rivers. The second one is bomb blasting test. Every country to prove defense purpose. To prove itself defense purpose. Third one is collapse of the rocks at the mountain areas and hill areas. Fourth one is earth is being digged. Earth is being digged day by day for minerals and oil and natural gases. These four are the surface causes. The second main point is volcanic causes. When eruption of the volcanoes, huge rock liquid come out through volcanic pipe. That's why rocks suddenly move from one place to other places, interior of the earth. Then the earthquakes occur wherever the rocks displaced. The third one is plutonic causes. Plutonic causes due to disintegration of the uranium thorium minerals interior of the earth, more energy will be released. That's why the rocks suddenly move from one place to other places, interior of the earth. That's why earthquakes occur. That's why earthquakes occur wherever uranium thorium minerals are disintegrated. Fourth one is tectonic causes. First one is surface causes. The second one is volcanic causes. Third one is plutonic causes. Fourth one is tectonic causes. Tectonic causes is nothing but the movement of the plates. The whole earth consists of 20 plates. Of the 20 plates, 6 major plates, remaining are minor plates. The major plates are Eurasian plate, African plate, American plate, Antarctic plate, Pacific plate, Australian plate. The minor plates are Indian subcontinent plate, Japan plate, Iran, Iraq, and so forth plates. As for Abraham Ortiz in 1596, F.E. Taylor and Wegener, the whole earth consists of 20 plates. These 20 plates have 3 types of movements. One is convergent movement, the second one is divergent movement, third one is transcurrent movement. Convergent movement is nothing but the two plates are moving towards in opposite direction to each other. Due to converging movement or compressional movement, some folded mountains, earthquakes, volcanoes will be developed. Divergent movement. Divergent movement is nothing but plates are moving away from each other. Due to divergent forces, sea floor development and earthquakes occur. Transcurrent movement. These 3 types of movements: convergent movement, divergent movement, transcurrent movement. Each plate formed with the crust material and upper mantle. All plates slowly move on the asthenosphere forever. Asthenosphere is nothing but inner mantle. It is in liquid stage. As per Wegener, the movement of the plates on the asthenosphere, like the movement of the glaciers on the water. Glaciers also move slowly on the water. Due to tectonic causes, major earthquakes occur. Due to tectonic causes, major earthquakes occur. These are the 4 major reasons to produce the earthquakes. Earthquake is nothing but the sudden movement of the rock beds interior of the earth from one place to other places. The earthquakes which occur in the oceans, seas are called tsunamis. Focus of the earthquake. Focus of the earthquake is nothing but it is the interior part of the earth. The earthquakes rise from the focus of the earth. Epicenter. Epicenter is the perpendicular point to the focus of the earth, which is located on the surface of the earth. More damage will be happened around the epicenter. At the time of the earthquakes, we can see three types of vibrations. At the time of the earthquakes, you can see three types of vibrations. One is primary waves or push waves. The second one is shake waves or secondary waves. The third one is long waves or surface waves. These are also called PSLV waves. The moment of the primary waves or P waves, forward and backward. The moment of the S waves, towards perpendicular direction. Due to the S waves, more damage will be happened. The movement of the long waves or surface waves in circular direction. Throughout the world, we can see 80% of the earthquakes are located around the Pacific Ocean, particularly Andes Mountains in South American continent, Rocky Mountains in North American continent, Japan Islands in Asian continent, and Indonesian islands also in Asian continent. Remaining 20% earthquakes, you can see the Himalayan mountains, Asian continent, Alps mountains, Europe, Atlas mountains, Africa, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and so forth regions. This is a brief explanation about the earthquakes. Reasons, one more I will say. I hope could you understand this topic, what I have told you now. One is surface causes, second one is volcanic causes, third one is plutonic causes, fourth one is tectonic causes.